Lesson 51, Smart Art and Word Art, Apply It Word Drills. The first task is to change the theme, so Design, Themes, Facet. In the open document, click so you're active in the document, Insert, Picture, the logo, select it, and click Insert. Change the color of the logo in Adjust, Color, and if you hover over, it should say Green Accent Color 1 Light. We're going to add a word art, so click Insert, Text, Word Art, and it should be Fill, Green 1, Accent 1, Shadow. I'm going to click away from that, Insert, Text, Word Art. I'm pretty sure it was this one. Green, Accent 1, Shadow. Good. And then we're going to change the location of it, not by moving it, by choosing Size and the dialog box launcher. Choose the tab that says Position, and the horizontal absolute will be 3, and the vertical absolute will be 0. And it moves it into position, and then click outside of it to deselect it. Select the text, and you'll fill in your text here with Barbet Enterprises. And again, select the text. You'll go into Word Art Styles, and then we'll go into Text Effects, to Bevel, and we are looking for Cool Slant. And then again, select outside of it to deselect it. And we'll change the size of it. You don't have to select it all. Choose the Drawing Tools format, size. The height will be 1, and the width will be 4.2. Enter. And again, click outside of it to deselect it. Click inside the document underneath the logo, and you type to : enter, from : enter, date, and subject. Check your work. No enter after the last one. And continue. You're going to click below subject and type everything that you see here. Again, let it word wraparound. Only press enter after directors, and don't hit it at the end. And then check your work and continue. At the end of paragraph 1, press enter, and we're going to insert a hierarchy category chart. So insert under Smart Art, Hierarchy, and the one they want is called Name and Title Organization Chart. We're going to add a shape. So you can go right up to the ribbon for Smart Art Tools Design and click the down arrow and choose Add an Assistant. And now we're going to fill in the information. So we're starting with the first row. So click it and you'll type what you see. And then the next one is the second row, first position. And the next one is the third row, first position. And we're moving to third row, second position. And then third row, third position. And then for the second row, second position, just the word new. With the shape still selected, go ahead into size. The height is 3.8, enter, and the width is 6.5. Enter. So scroll down after the last paragraph, after the word page, and press enter, and we'll insert a picture. Select it and insert. Resize the picture. It's already selected, size, and the picture height is 5, and just enter. We're going to change the position of the picture. It's still selected. It's in arrange, position, and you want top center with square text wrapping. We're going to compress the picture. It's in adjust, compress pictures. Just uncheck only apply so it'll do it to all of them, and use the default resolution. In this open document, we're going to change the theme to integral. Change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Change the margins to moderate. We're going to insert a picture and insert. And my favorite, we're going to crop the picture, so it's already selected. Choose size, crop, and again, what you're going to do is you're going to move this one to about the middle and use the symbol, keep it at the top, and just go about to the middle of it. And then once you do that, go back to size and click the top part of crop to end it. We'll change the size. The height will be 2.5. We'll put a border, so picture border, standard color red. We're going to insert a word art, so just click away from the picture, insert, text, word art, and it should be this one right here. And I'm going to try it again without deselecting from the picture. There, that worked. And then we're going to go back to under arrange, position, more layout positions. This is where we go to that horizontal absolute. So the horizontal absolute is 3.4. And the vertical is 0.02. So this is moving it without actually physically dragging it to the side. It'll do it for you in those exact measurements. Then click below it to deselect. Then we'll select all the text and type 4th of July celebration. Then select all of the text. Do it manually, and it's under word art, text fill, and we're going with red. Size 1.5 for the height and 6 for the width. And we're going to apply the transform stop, so it's already selected. Under word art style, text effects, transform, and this one should be stop. And I'm just going to use the scroll bar on the bottom to choose layout options and select square. Click outside of the word art, hold Control and press end, E-N-D, the end key, then press enter twice and change the font to size 28. So click outside the picture, Control end, and enter twice. And then you'll click underneath the picture and you'll type, make sure it's in the smaller font size, and you'll type what you see here using word wraparound. Or maybe it is in that large font. So it'd be 28, yes, make sure it's in the size 28. So this paragraph, triple click it, and the font color will be blue. And we're going to add a border. So design, use your arrow, borders, and they want the thick border, which is this one right here. And then the color, they're going with blue again, and OK. And you are done.